Hi guys, we have been talking about superpowers in reading, and we have talked about pointer power, reread power, and picture power. We have a new power that we're going to talk about today, and that is called persistence power. Can you say persistence? Persistence. That means that we don't give up. We use our powers when we're reading, and if we come to a word that we don't know, we figure out a power we can use. So if we use our pointer power and that doesn't work, we go to our reread power, or we go to our picture power. So when we have persistence power, we don't give up when we're coming to a word that we don't know. So we're going to take a look at this book. It's a new book that we haven't read before. It's called Little Things. I have a little bed. I have a little, I'm not sure what that is. So I used my pointer, and that helped me track the words, but I came to a word that I don't know. I'm going to reread it to see if I can figure it out. I have a little t. T. The first sound I hear is t. That might be a table. Does that make sense? It does. Use your picture power to see if the word makes sense. I have a little seat. Does the picture match? It does. Seat. I hear the s sound, and I know s comes from the letter S. I have a little seat. But this starts with the sounds ch for CH. What's another word for a seat? That's right, chair. Let's check the picture. This is the word chair. I have a little lamp. What do you think this is a picture of? Clock. Very good. And we have our pattern figured out. I have a. And then whatever comes next is the picture. I have a little clock. What do you think this is going to be? I have a little stove. What do you think it's going to be? What do you think the pattern might say? Let's see. I have a little sink. This picture, what do you think the pattern is going to say? What do you think the page says? This looks like a dollhouse. I have a little dollhouse. I ran out of words. I know that this is a punctuation mark. It's called an exclamation mark, and that tells the reader where to stop. I have a little dollhouse. So I need to figure out what this is in one word. I have a little H makes the sound. Oh, this is the word house. So when we are using our persistence power, that means that we do not give up when we find a word that we don't know. We use all of our powers that we've learned. We can go back and reread it. We can take a look at our snap words. We can look at the picture. And we can use our finger or our pointer to help us figure out where we need to stop.